Welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about the latest update to Harbor 1.3. Now this is something that we've been working on for quite a while now. We're very, very happy with the result and we wanted to share it with you today. Now HarborSEO.ai is the SaaS that I've been working on with Rowan for the last 6 months. We now have an entire team behind us and we're trying to make an all-in-one SEO tool that combines traditional systems with AI. If you want to support us and if you want to support the project, we would really appreciate it if you get the yearly extra 33 discount code on a yearly plan. This just shows us and gives us the safety and security we need to continue growing our team and to continue growing Harbor. Now, we've made a few changes. The homepage has been changed slightly. It looks pretty cool, to be honest with you. I do really like this. But we don't really care about design stuff around here. We care more about, things that help us. So on the left now, you'll see the linker. Let's go to updates here and we'll just read through the updates. So Harbor 1.3 is here and it's revolutionizing your SEO strategy with Linker, our game-changing link building tool. Now, this is something that I have built myself. I'm really, really happy with the way that the team has brought it to life. So meet Linker, your new link building powerhouse. Linker is an AI-driven solution that streamlines link building from a time-consuming chore to a streamlined process. By leveraging the techniques of SEO pros, Linker finds relevant guest post opportunities in seconds rather than days. Intelligent sitemap analysis. Input your sitemap and Linker gains a deep understanding of your domain and business. Tailored guest post suggestions. Receive a curated list of potential opportunities. Comprehensive guest post intelligence. For each suggestion, Linker provides domain authority, estimated monthly traffic, site niche, relevant topics, and contact information. Also, when possible, the price of the guest post as well. All the data you need to make informed decisions about your link building strategy. One-stop guest post creation. Why stop at suggestions? With Linker, you can generate high-quality guest posts on the spot, and you can also get email templates for outreach. You can also track your progress, and it's just more of a hands-off link building way of doing things. However, if you want something that's truly hands-off, you can also, if you want to, book with us, where you can, we will build the links for you effectively. Anyway, let's get into the actual meat and bones of this. So we'll go to twomen.it/sitemap.xml and we're going to find relevant guest post opportunities. What this does is it scrapes your sitemap, it creates a business summary, and then it uses, it's not exactly a secret how to find a guest post. It uses the right for us thing to try and find guest post opportunities, basically. It's pretty interesting how it actually works, and there is a lot more to it than that, but effectively that's what it's doing. And then what that's now going to do is it's going to identify potential guest posts for your business and for your niche specifically. That's now completed, so we'll have a look what it came up with. So https craftsmanship.net/write for us. Now, something that will happen occasionally is that you will get the same guest post opportunities. But to be honest with you, we don't build that many guest posts every month for a business. We do 4 to 8 guest posts. You don't want to do more than that because Google will penalize you if you just smash a load of guest posts randomly onto our website. However, eventually, pretty soon, we will add continuous conversation, just like we did with the keyword tool, so that you can be rest assured that you won't always just get the same options over and over and over. So we can see here with this website here. Now, the really cool thing is you don't have to play around with Ahrefs anymore, because we know that this domain is a good domain. Otherwise, it wouldn't be here. So it's almost like it's taking the work it's taking the guess out of guesswork, basically. There is still work there, but there's no more guesswork. You don't have to guess things anymore. This is a good backlink. You can see that this is a good backlink. And it's relevant as well because it's about craftsmanship. And we're talking about Two Men, which obviously is a website that would fit well with that niche. So these guys only accept content from our members and partners. Content should be original and not appear on other websites. Please credit any sources used. Content should be one of the specified types. Think pieces, event reviews, Q&As, interviews, podcast videos. Quick insights up to 400 words, think piece 400 to 600 word, deeper dives up to 900 words. So there's even an email here. So Rachel left them, and then some of these aren't necessarily relevant, but we could get away with sustainability, for example, as a way to connect back to men. The Writer's Digest here, it appears a few times. Italian Tribune, very nice. Again, there's a lot of the craftsmanship.net. This is something that we are working on. It's still pretty beta, however you say that word at the moment. But yeah, this is kind of what we're looking at the moment. So let's just have another one. Let's have another look here on Ahrefs. Again, really, really good backlink. This has got a DR of 67, so that's pretty good. And then let's say sustainability, or let's say we like cultural traditions and craftsmanship. We can press create guest post here. What this will do is it will create a guest post, and it will also create an email to send to this email address, publisher@craftsmanship.net. Just so you know, sometimes the kind of suggestions are a little bit outside the niche. The reason for that is we're using AI generated content. So sometimes what happens is the AI will generate something that's slightly wrong, but still within the same niche. It's something that we're working on. But yeah, just so you know, just so you're aware. So this now makes the guest post here, which we can download as a .text. And then it even has an email here where you can send this email to the email address on the previous page. And then that is now submitted. Let's say it's not actually submitted. You will have to submit these yourselves. We're doing a lot of the legwork. We're not doing all the legwork. If you want all of the legwork done for you instead, then you can configure a link building package with us today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out. Watch this video if you're using Cursor or V0 and you want the latest and most cutting edge AI website and application generator.